Here I'm going to show you how to manually create a VM in Servecentric Enterprise Cloud. When you log on, you'll be on the dashboard. Just select Compute on the left hand side. From here, select Create. Next, we're going to give our VM a name. Next, we select the amount of CPU we'd like to give to VM. You can select by gigahertz, or each virtual CPU is 2.4 gigahertz. Let's give this 2 virtual CPUs. I'm going to increase the RAM to 4 gig as well. Next, I'm going to optimize the VM for Linux. We can attach a SSH key here, or we can go directly onto the drive. From here, I'm going to attach a drive from the library. I'm going to attach this pre-installed Ubuntu version 20 drive. The drive is now attached. On the network, I've got a public IP address, and this is assigned dynamically. I'm going to save the VM, go back to the Properties tab. Now let's start the VM. I get this warning message because I have no subscription in place for this VM. So this is going to be the hourly cost for running this VM. Click yes if you agree. As the VM boots up, a VNC tunnel will become available. This will give us console access. Let's enable it. From here we can click Display VNC, which will open a new tab, and we'll see our VM. As you can see, the VM is fully booted up, and you can log on now.